Welcome to the Error Genie channel. Get ready to unveil the secrets of creating a magnificent Steam account right on your mobile device. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned gamer seeking a refresher, this video is here to grant your wish. So, let's dive into the enchanting world of Steam. Prepare yourself for the journey by summoning your trusty mobile device and firing up your favorite web browser. Behold the search bar at the top, a gateway to all knowledge. Utter the sacred word Steam and let the search magic unfold. Seek out the official Steam website and tap on the link that holds the power. As you step foot into the mystical realm of Steam, direct your attention to the three mysterious lines, ever watchful in the top left corner of the screen. Embark on the path of the login button and tap it with a touch of destiny. Descend further into the depths of the page until you discover the hidden gem known as Join Steam. This button will become your key to unlocking the wonders that lie ahead. Embrace it with a courageous tap, and let the creation process commence. On the ensuing screen, breathe life into your Steam dreams by infusing your chosen email address. Whisper it gently into the designated field and mirror its essence once more for confirmation. Then, let your finger wander to select your country of residence. Feel the cosmic alignment as the virtual world recognizes your place of origin, guiding you toward the right choice. A trial awaits, daring you to prove your humanity amidst a sea of robots. Embrace the challenge of the reCAPTCHA, revealing your true essence with each tap and swipe. Proclaim your uniqueness and emerge victorious. Now, it is time to forge an unbreakable pact with Steam. Engage in a dance of agreement as you tap the checkbox, signifying your acceptance of the terms and conditions. With a resounding tap on Continue, the bond is sealed. But hold on! A messenger from the realm of emails arrives, bearing a message of verification. Open your email sanctuary, and there it shall be, a sacred missive from Steam. Unleash your tapping prowess upon the Verify My Email Address button, solidifying your status as a true Steam warrior. Return now to the realm of creation, where you shall craft your Steam identity. Utter your chosen account name and imbue it with the power of your imagination. Guard your digital fortress by crafting a robust password worthy of a true hero. Once you're satisfied, declare your triumph with a final tap on Done. Behold, almighty adventurer! You have ascended to the ranks of Steam greatness. A world of boundless gaming pleasures and endless possibilities now lies at your fingertips. And thus, we conclude this enchanting tutorial. If any questions or curiosities arise during your journey, share them with us in the mystical realm of the comments section below. If this video has illuminated your path, honor it with a resounding thumbs up and join our magical community by subscribing to the Error Genie channel.